Time for your ABC 36 Storm Team forecast.
A nice start to the week here in central and eastern Kentucky on this Monday. A little patchy fog down south. A lot of sunshine this morning, but the afternoon scattered clouds coupled with that north to northwest wind really holding our temperatures in check. Tranquil weather is going to stay in place. Comfortable temperatures into the midweek, but after that it's going to feel like June as the heat begins to build into the area beginning on Thursday and then jumping ahead to Father's Day weekend, just downright hot with upper 80s and even a few low 90s. Visible satellite, really a good indicator of those scattered clouds, although we are parting them a bit here in the bluegrass and running down the I-75 corridor, but that combined with the wind really slowed the warming process down through the course of the afternoon. Downtown Mount Sterling, Montgomery County Courthouse, there's a northwest wind. It's been 10 to 15 in most locations, 72 there. Meanwhile, in Casey County near Liberty, the Kentucky Mesonet site, 72 there as well. But there has been quite a gradient across the area temperature-wise. More clouds earlier and that north to northwest wind, very breezy, only low to mid 60s, Williamstown to Flemingsburg. Meanwhile, across our southern counties, we've been in the upper 70s. Dew points, great shape, fairly dry air mass, low to mid 50s. But look at that area from Louisville to Cincy, Columbus, over to Indianapolis, only low and mid 60s. They had some mid-level clouds hanging around much of the day. Coupled with that wind, high pressure responsible, the clockwise flow around it. You can see those wind streams coming north to south, pushing some of that cooler air in, but that is going to change as we see that area of high pressure build in and then move east. The cloudiness that we have, that will go away. We'll start out pleasantly cool tomorrow morning into the low 50s and then kind of a comparable day, mix of clouds and sun. I think we'll tack on a few degrees, mid to upper 70s tomorrow afternoon. There's high pressure building in and then moving eastward. As that happens, return flow picks up, low 80s on Wednesday, and then the warmth in the central plains begins to build eastward, upper 80s. This frontal boundary, it arrives in a weakened state on Friday, so just a low-end chance, a stray storm or two, that's about it. The big story will be that big ridge of high pressure, big bubble of warmth / heat that will be building eastward, getting into Friday and the upcoming weekend. Now, eventually this will move to the east, and as that happens, that's going to tap the Gulf of Mexico, and that's going to set us up for the afternoon and evening variety thunderstorms about a week out. Obviously, as it heats up, we will get a little bit more in the way of humidity around. It's going to dip down slightly along with temperatures on Saturday behind that departing boundary, but then we're going to work our way back up. In fact, looking long range, this is even beyond the 7-day here. Notice the bullseye of the above average warmth, and our average highs in 84 to 85 will be right over the heart of the Ohio Valley. So welcome to summer, literally and figuratively as well. Mostly clear, quiet, 53 overnight. Tomorrow, 78. Another nice day under mostly sunny skies. Extended forecast here. The heat's on and then some. Heading into Father's Day weekend. In fact, Father's Day may be our hottest day with highs in the low 90s. And then we do work those isolated afternoon and early evening storms back in the picture this time next week.